Good morning, it's Murray of Murrey Map. Now, what we want to talk about today is IBM. Most people talk about stocks, they talk about commodities, they talk about bonds, gold, silver, but the average person relates to stocks. One of the easiest stocks and most recognized stocks in the Dow 30 is the IBM. So what I did is I went back to October the 10th of 2011, and IBM was trading at 182.03125. So I went and took each chart of each day for IBM coming forward, and it equaled 37 charts. So I used each day and I recorded them for you, and then I noticed that in November the 27th that IBM was trading at 182.0315, which is the exact same price as it was October the 10th of 2011. So it was already known. If you go back and read my book or come to my classes or take my weekly predictions, you'll see that I use what's called Murray's profit pi, which is 3.125. So if you move the decimal over from 3.125, you would come to 0.03125. So everything is based on a fractal. The fractal is a fraction. It is a rational fraction. So anything that can be divided by itself, and the answer will always come up as a 5 or a 0. You can always predict the exact price of every market. So when you look at IBM, you'll see that IBM made 110 reverses off the key of C and the key of B. The key of C would be 1, the key of B would be 7, the key of F would be 4. This is using the national numbering system from the Jordanaires, who in 1954 came up with this idea for Elvis and all the bands in the United States and the world now. It's the standard Nashville music numbering system. So everything is in a harmonic octave. So if you look at music from 1875 BC, the average speed of music was 437.5 cycles per second. That was for the flute and the lyre. 1939, in July to October the 9th of 1939 in Poland, they moved the music up from 437.50 to 440.625, which gives you the added impetus of 3.125. So this is why the stock market is not random, it is set to a harmonic pitch. So now let's enjoy looking at 37 charts of IBM from October the 10th and see that the stock went up and down and came out at the same price exactly. Thank you. That's it.